Okay, today what we're going to do is show how we can, when I was playing around with this, I realized you can have two different, if you have the duplicate screen, well not duplicate, but the split where you have one document on one screen, a different document on a different screen. You can actually use the eBot, listen to what the eBot has to say, and then type a Word document at the same time. So let me open Word. Notice my magic isn't talking, my adaptive software. What I did is I turned the speech off so there's not two talking at once. Notice here, I know that one's my blank document. That's a little small there. So let's make a larger font, because when I noticed earlier when I did Control Plus, it made the eBot larger and the font on this larger, and it was extremely confusing. So there we go, we have a 36 going on here, which that will be helpful for the document. Now let me go back on the other screen. Now usually if I was doing this in real time for an assignment, I'd be having my monitor spaced differently, but I did this so you could see it in the actual, the same view with the I'm going to connect my eBot. I want you to be able to see it in the same view with the video. Okay, so we're going to open the eBot. Say yes, I know what that one is. We're going to do Wi-Fi. And while that's loading up, I want to show you something over here on the side. Notice we have control panel. How I did this with my screens is I went to the control panel. Okay, there's my eBot. There's my control panel. What I did is connect to a projector, and what I chose is extend, because that allows me to have one thing on one screen and something else on a different screen. So what I have here is this. So what I'm going to do is capture this. That's what's on my eBot. I'm going to capture it using my remote.
Press again to capture.
Okay, it's going to capture. What I'm going to do is pretend this I'm working on an assignment or research, and I want to be able to type at the same time. So what I'm going to do, that's going to capture, and that's going to start reading, okay? So what I'm going to do is show you here.
J -1, 4.4, page 31, $K. No, you cannot use the internet via Wi-Fi.
Here, I can type at the same time.
Connecting an iPad or Android tablet via Wi-Fi. iPad running iOS 7 and higher, and Android tablet running 4.3 and higher are supported. The better. Confirm.
So I can type at the same time, is what I have that on. So I can work back and forth, and as you notice, I have a little battery thing going on here again today, where it says my battery is only 5%, I'll be shutting down. So this will be a very short video until that has time to recharge. So that's basically an idea on how to take your eBot Pro to the next level and be able to use it in multiple things. But one thing of concern is when you do Control Plus, which is also a Freedom Scientific thing to make magic larger. Notice what it does. It not only makes the magic larger on the one screen, it also makes it larger on your eBot Pro. So that can be a little bit much, the same as you notice when I'm going Control and the negative, the minus key, it makes both of them smaller. So that's a little pointer for you when you're working with it.
App Store or Google Play Store. You can download the eBot Viewer by searching eBot View.